Hey guys, EJ Lockpicks here. Got my camera on a tripod now. It's a good camera, brand new, so see if we can get some better shots in it. I was at my favorite store today looking at some metal files and whatnot. I ended up picking up a couple of things I didn't need, this being one of them. But we're going to do an unbox picking. This claims to be anti-pick. Let's see if we can't see it. It says it right there, anti-pick cylinder. We'll just see how true that is. And I'll open it here. One of the other toys I bought. And we'll just see how anti-pick this really is. I'm going to take the keys off because I want to make sure it works before I try picking it. So here's what the bitting looks like. Looks like 5 pins. Spring loaded, that's nice. Does work perfectly. Here's smooth lock. It's got some of that spring tension. Not a lot. Oh, by the way, this is the series A527. I'll just get my tripod real quick. Or, not my tripod, my clamping device. Let's make sure we're still in frame here. Sorry, I'm not that great with a tripod, so still have to be some practice. I'll just take a look at this and see. Yeah, I don't think we can do that. We're gonna have to do. Okay, so we're locked. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to work around the camera. This is a strange angle. Let's see if I can fit this in the top like I can my Americans. Yeah. Okay. So we got a little slop in there. Maybe there's some fancy pins. Let's give her a try here. Alright, a little bit of tension. Let's go all the way in the back. See if we can find somebody calling out to be picked. I think I got something on pin 1 there. Is it a high cut? That's a really low cut. Okay. Feels like we got some serrated pins in there. That would be really nice to see. Ooh. Not the greatest when it comes to these unboxing pickings. Yes, I can definitely tell they're serrated. Lots of clicking and snapping, and I'm sure you can hear all that. Haven't gotten very far. let's just do a reset now. Try a little bit harder tension, see if that gets us anywhere. Yeah, that definitely did. That first pin really called out for it. So this is basically an American lock core, and that's what it feels like, that's what it looks like. Not sure we're getting anywhere here. Oh, there it is. Alright, well, we got it picked. That only took 7 minutes. Well, that's not a horrifically long video, but let's see what we got inside. I'm curious. I'm pretty sure they're serrated pins. Alright, we got Phillips head in there. Could use a bigger Phillips head. So when I reset those couple of times, I probably only had that one pin to go before I'll just come out of there. What the hell? It's a special, there it goes. Jesus. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Anti-bypassing wafer. That's something new. Well, in ace locks anyways. I've never seen that. This is good luck, it seems. Alright. Let's, I'm gonna get all this junk out the way. I'm gonna change that camera just a little bit so I can work around it here. Okay. I'm probably gonna need a small one. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can get this clip off of here. Ow. Damn it. Yeah, now we're just spinning the clip around. Get it right there. Probably just pull it out this way. Yeah, it's not gonna work. This clip seems to be a real pain. Trying to get this thing off of here. Oh, I almost got it. Gotta love it when they're brand new. They don't want to come off. Come on. And we're already at 10 minutes. Jesus. Come on. God damn it. There it goes. Come on, you bastard. Sorry. Whack the camera. There it goes. Jesus. Oh, I'm not looking forward to putting that bastard back in. Jesus. Alright. Alright, so we're on the top here. Okay. Wow, that was fun. Alright, looks like we got 6 chambers with 5 of them populated. Let's see what we got in here. Got serrated. 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 Oop. And last one. Oop. Standard. Yeah, it's standard. Okay. So now we go for the uppers. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like we got a straight serrated in one. Oh, there it goes. Serrated spool in 2. We got serrated in 3. Ooh. We got serrated spool in 4. And the last one, let's just guess and say it's fully serrated. And it is. Okay, so we got alternating. Let's just flip that one around. Okay, so let's show you guys what we got here. We got all serrated key pins except for 5. And then in the uppers we got alternating serrated and serrated spool. So there's that. It's a lot of fun. Ace, series A527. Looks pretty good. It looks just like the American 700 or the Master 930. Nice bypass wafer. Probably could have used a couple more of those, but you take what you can get, I guess. So there's that. Thanks for watching. Sorry it took so long. Stay legal.